man, hopefully it's recording.
The revolution will be live.
My brother, I was here. I had to come see you. Oh my goodness! I gotta check the battery on this thing.
Why?
Cause it's a weak start. I gotta put my show eye in there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all good. Well, oh, good to see you, man. Yo, it's like a minute.
Yeah, I'm right down the street.
Damn, bro.
It's really close.
Yeah, man.
Well, I kept taking pictures over here, like, yo, it's clearing up over here.
Right. All right, bet. Yeah, man. What you think?
Sounds good. I like the way it sounds.
It's too loud, bro. It's messing with the mic.
But, true. But when you were coming, I heard you.
Yeah. Well, it's a little difference between Zeus and Aries, where Zeus in that motor was something extraordinary. See, I'm in third gear right now, right? If I whack it, it's kind of a delay. It streams in. But on Zeus, I would crack it in third, and it was like I was in first gear. You know, if I can, that's the best way to. Like Steve said when he test rode Zeus after coming back from Extreme Machines, the power is instant. The power is here, you know, but it just, there's like a, I have to kind of rev it a little bit. But that's okay. I mean, I'm coming down like 30 something horsepower back to regular or base form as Super Saiyan's terminology. I'm a big anime guy, so yeah, that just a little vignette for you guys to feast on. But I'm almost home, and that I just wanted to do that little tidbit for you. Yeah, I mean, I'm losing power, but I feel it, like, you know. But I gotta, bro. Like my boots, like got burned on the inside. I'm like, yo, I had to put my pants over it. So, well, I'm getting it ready for tomorrow since. It's a slow process. I'm almost done. I'm gonna need you and Scott to help me out to take everything off. You know, so. Yeah, man. All right. Well, I was hoping to get us to do content down there.
I mean, well, because of the rain, I think that's why it died out like that.
Yeah. It was only one bike.
Even this guy called me.
Yeah.
Brandon.
Yeah.
That was a surprise to me.
I'm not gonna say. We'll talk offline. Yeah.
He was like, yo, you coming out? I'm like, we're supposed to, but
next week for sure, 100%. I'm gonna take my bike to work. I'm gonna ride past Steve. I'm gonna grab some people, meet you at Carmine's, and then we all go together. We gotta roll deep because it's until 3 a.m. You know.
But it's crazy because it was so you was gonna go. I wanted to go.
Yeah.
Carmine wanted to go. Vince was coming down.
Yeah. I'm about to call him and tell him don't come. There's nobody there.
And then also Brandon wanted to come out.
Yeah.
I met good thing I didn't call him. So I met this other truck driver at work.
Okay.
But he's into like Harleys and whatnot, right?
Okay.
He was like, yo, dude, I ride too.
Yeah.
And he knows, like the people we know, like Llama and all of them.
Yeah.
Outcasts and, right?
Yeah.
And he was like, yo, if you guys go down there and hit me up, yo, I'll go down there with my...
The more the merrier. I brought 4 more members into the group.
Yeah.
You know, so it's going to be good stuff. But let me get this thing up inside. But You my dog. You my. Psst. I gave you a shout out on the video, so it's gonna be good stuff. All right, no problem, brother. I'll see you later. But that's Reverend to Riches. Make sure you check him out. The budding channel. He's gonna be doing some great things. I have a good time. So I guess this was like the extra, the part 2, you know. But yeah, I kept the bike on because I was struggling with starting it. I think something, you know, the battery is you know, it's an acid battery. I gotta put my lithium from Zeus into his legacy here. So alrighty, that was oh damn, it's like really dense down here, like. Yeah, so on that note, we're gonna call it a day. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.